What up, y'all? So I'm back at it, and today is different, you know what I'm saying? Working on the e36, crank no start. So right now we're changing the battery. After the battery gets changed, I'm gonna have the power that I need to see why it's not starting. So let's get it. Think I can get it started today? We're gonna see. They've been trying for 3 months. Let's see if I can come in today and get it cracking.
We haven't had to do that.
All right, so first we about to see what's cracking now. So now spray some starter fluid up on that thing and see what it do. Start it. There it is. So now we know it's fuel related. So now we're gonna go from here, take it from there. Also, I do got the fuel machine hooked up, not getting nothing, no fuel pressure. So it's also not getting any fuel pressure. So we'll figure out why it's not getting no fuel pressure. Let's get it. All right, now we got that. Now I'm gonna see if there's power going to the fuse for the fuel pump. It gets ground. I gotta turn on the key, see if it gets power. Hold up. That's fine. All right. Do turn it off. All right, so it's turning, it's cranking. I checked. Cinder's getting power. The pump's getting power and ground, so everything's getting power and ground. There's nothing's going up to the top. So now what we're about to do is remove that and see if fuel comes out. So that's moved out. Let's see. What's coming out of that? Nothing's coming out. There's our problem. Man, I love a drop top. All right, so we think we know what the problem is, which is the pump. So, we're waiting on the pump from the junkyard. Once the pump gets here from the junkyard, we're gonna install that. Hopefully it starts up, and your boy be out of here, man.
Another day, another dollar. Another day, another problem. But it's all about the outcome. Yeah, it's all about the outcome. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another problem. But it's all about the outcome. Yeah, it's all about the outcome. The outcome of getting these millions, taking care of the family, feeding the village, open up a business.
All right, so we got the new pump. Swap out the gaskets real quick before I throw this in there. And slap that in and see what it do, man. What y'all think? Y'all think it's gonna start or not? I think so. I think we got a shot, man.
The outcome of getting these millions, taking care of the family, feeding the village, open up a business, residual living, but we still cooking and scratching this chicken, cause we gotta get it. Laxing Chevys on switches every day, looking like it was a Dr. Dre picnic, living the life we want. You know I got a flaunt, restaurant, review mirrors fold when the Beamer park, tuned M6, got me feeling like Tony Stark. It ain't finished or complete until I take the car apart.
All right, go ahead. Yep. Fuel came out.
Another day, another problem. But it's all about the outcome. Yeah, it's all about the outcome. Another day, another dollar. Another day, another problem. But it's all about the outcome. Yeah, it's all about the outcome.
All right. Let's see, try to start it. You gonna give it a little gas, huh? Yeah, give it a little gas and then just turn it. It should cut on. All right. Try it again. The fuel get up to the thing. There it go. There it go. There you go.
What's up, bro? Thank you so much.
I said, no problem, bro. No problem, no problem, no problem, no problem. There you go. There you go. And when you see that fuel pressure we getting? You see that? What can I say, man? What can I say? What can I say, bro? That's it, man. You know what I'm saying? Got it started. That's it. Car runs. And yeah, man. Until next time. All right, y'all. I came, I saw, I conquered. Everything back together. This RX-7 though. Yeah. Oh yeah. Done. Another Beamer on the road, man.